What's up, guys, and welcome back or to the channel. Today we got this 07 third gen. It's got the 6.7 Cummins in it. You guys have probably seen this track on the Lot Lizard Diesel page on Instagram. This is Jimmy's truck, so I'll link both their Instagrams here on the screen somewhere for you. But yeah, so we got this truck in, and as you can see, it's pretty bad. So it's been a little while since we've washed it, which it looks clean on camera, of course, but it's pretty nasty up here. So we're putting on these detail guards. They're these little hose guards. I had a lot of people text me and ask me about what these were that we were putting on the video. And they're just basically hose guards, or you use them for basically whenever you're cleaning or whatever, but they're basically just gonna slide underneath your tire, and it's got a little rolling back to it so your hoses don't get like kinked or stuck underneath your line when you're trying to pull it, so you're sitting there yanking at it and the hose won't come. So this basically just like keeps your hose sliding around it and doesn't get stuck on your tires. So yeah, they're just really simple. Slide them up underneath your tires there, and you're all set to go. So as like I was saying, we're gonna be washing this whole truck, cleaning the inside of it out, and yeah. So without further ado, let's get into it. So real quick before we start washing, we always start with the wheels and tires, and then we go straight into washing the paint. But kind of while we're washing the wheels, we kind of clean the bed out as well. Sorry, that's a pressure washer. It likes to be annoying at inconvenient times. So, but usually clean out the beds. As you can see, there is quite the collection of leaves in here. So we're gonna get all those leaves swept out of there and start washing them. All right, so we're about to start washing, and I got my wash buckets here. I got a wheel and tire, rinse, and then a soap bucket. And we're gonna get all of our tools loaded up here. I got pretty much just everything from all my brushes, a few little things here, my wash mitt for my wheels, and then just my basic chemicals we use for everything. So we're gonna get those all sorted out here and get these all ready, and we're gonna start washing the wheels. So Alright, so we got all the wheels washed. They're all wet, wheel wells are done, tires are done, all that good stuff. So yeah, like I've showed you guys before, you don't need to go use any cleaners. It's just soap and water. That's all you need. And it cleans them up just fine. Don't need to use all those chemicals and cleaners. It's just gonna stain them up, like I've said before, unless you're planning on polishing these. That's what you're gonna be using, but we're just using regular old soap and water, no Dawn dish soap, just a pH neutral soap, and that's it. So yeah, we're gonna get on to washing the paint and cue the montage. All right, so we're gonna start drying. Same method as last time you saw us do it on my truck. This one is coated as well. We use Body Shine. I'm just trying to use different products. It's just a quick detailer, that's all it is. This one, same thing, got our rubber squeegee, it's not plastic. And got our Mega Red drying towel. And then we're going to be using our Jackswax graphene detailer. It's their graphene ceramic detailer. So it's got like 7% ceramic in it. So we're gonna spritz this all over the truck after we squeegee it. Then we're gonna dry the whole thing up, and then we'll use our fancy little heated dryer to get all the little nooks and crannies all blown out. So, yep, we're gonna get to it. So. Alright guys, so we got the whole exterior all finished up, all washed, everything's all good now, it's all dried up, looks really good. There had some smudges on the lens, but yeah, got the truck all good, all cleaned up. Now we're gonna get ready to start on the interior. Honestly, not that bad, just needs swept up, and just a few things wiped down. I don't ever really wipe anything down because we're usually deep cleaning stuff all the time, but with how clean this truck is, and we really cleaned it up like, I don't know, maybe not even a month ago or so. It won't take much at all to clean it with. There's, I think, a couple stains on the passenger seat. Other than that, everything else is just sweep it out, clean the floor mats, and that's pretty much it. So, yeah. All right, so I got these two formats are the dirtiest. So the other ones I can really just kind of like vacuum down. They don't even have anything on them. So yeah, these ones I just washed them. They're wet still. I got my Shine All. This is basically water-based dressing. I know you're thinking dressing, it's gonna make them all slick and whatever. This one has no silicone in it. It doesn't leave anything really like greasy. Unless I were to spray this on here and let it sit in the sun all day, then it'll make it greasy feeling kind of, but I'm just gonna spray this all on here, wipe it all in with my towel basically to dry it, and that'll be it. It's gonna make them look a little bit darker, look a little bit better than just being a, you know, kind of like a faded black floor liner. So we're going around now and we're waxing the whole truck, which if you were paying attention, you knew that this truck was ceramic coated. But Jack's Wax has a graphene wax, which is a basically ceramic wax. So it's got no carnauba in it. It's got like 10% ceramic in it or whatever. But it's really a wax made specifically for coatings. So yeah, we're just going around waxing the whole truck, getting it all ready for them. And yeah, so I know a lot of people see the machine in my hand, they're gonna see me waxing with the machine, and they're gonna think swirls and whatever. Clean pad, it's actually a little bit full of this stuff because I've actually done the whole truck. This is the last panel I gotta do. But waxing the whole truck with this, it's not gonna scratch it. This wax has no abrasives in it at all, so it's not gonna be scratching, swirling, fixing, nothing. It's just waxing this. So yeah, we're just running speed 1 on here and just making just crosshatch patterns just like you usually do when you're paint correcting. So yeah, we're gonna get doing this tailgate here, and we're gonna get her all done up. So